Ezra English. Fictional series. The Journey of Kaka. Chapter 4, A Star is Born. After several weeks of guarding Kaka's chrysalis, as Ani woke up one morning, she noticed the chrysalis was shaking and cracking. She could hardly contain her excitement as she watched Kaka emerging from his cocoon. The transformation was complete, and Ani couldn't believe her eyes. The butterfly that emerged from the chrysalis was breathtaking. It was a rare species with vibrant colors that sparkled like diamonds in the sunshine. Its wings were a kaleidoscope of colors that reflected the light in a dazzling display, scattering it into 7 brilliant colors of the rainbow. Ani was in awe of the butterfly's beauty and couldn't help but stare in amazement. She marveled at its delicate wings, the patterns and designs so intricate and perfectly formed. The butterfly fluttered its wings, and Ani watched as the colors shifted and changed, creating a stunning display of color and light. As she watched, Ani felt a sense of pride and amazement for her friend Kaka. The journey they had embarked on together, the struggles and obstacles they had faced, had all led to this moment. It was a testament to Kaka's resourcefulness and resilience, his determination to overcome every challenge that had come his way.
Here are some words worth note-taking. Hardly contain her excitement, unable to hold back feelings of joy and enthusiasm. Emerging, coming out or becoming visible. Cocoon, the protective covering spun by a caterpillar around itself during the pupal stage. Breathtaking, causing strong feelings of admiration or awe. A rare species, a type of plant or animal that is not commonly found in a particular region or environment. Vibrant colors, bright, lively, and intense hues. Sparkled, glittered or shone with small flashes of light. Kaleidoscope, a toy consisting of a tube containing mirrors and pieces of colored glass, whose reflections produce changing patterns. Dazzling display, a stunning exhibition or demonstration of something. Scattering, the act of throwing or spreading things in different directions. Stare in amazement, look at something with surprise and wonder. Delicate wings, thin, light, and easily broken or damaged appendages used for flying by insects or birds. Intricate, having many complex and interrelated parts or elements. Fluttered its wings, moved its wings rapidly and lightly. Stunning, strikingly impressive or beautiful. Struggles and obstacles, difficulties or challenges that need to be overcome. Resilience, the ability to recover or adapt easily from difficult or challenging situations.
Kaka and Ani continued to explore the garden, but something was different. There was a sense of danger in the air, and the insects were acting strange. They soon discovered the reason why. Humans had come to the garden, and they were using insecticide to kill off the bugs. Kaka and Ani knew they had to act fast to save themselves and their fellow insects. They quickly gathered their allies, Arachne the spider and the group of caterpillars they had helped across the stream. They knew they had to stop the humans from using the insecticide before it was too late. As they approached the humans, they saw the deadly mist of the insecticide spreading through the garden. Kaka knew they had to act quickly. He flew towards the humans, dodging the mist and avoiding their swipes as they tried to swat him away. Ani, Arachne, and the caterpillars followed closely behind. "Stop! You're killing us!" Kaka shouted at the humans, hoping to get through to them. But the humans didn't seem to hear him. They continued to spray the insecticide, completely unaware of the harm they were causing. Ani knew they needed to take a more direct approach. "Arachne, spin a web to trap them," Ani shouted, pointing towards the humans. Arachne quickly got to work, spinning a web that covered the humans from head to toe. The humans struggled to break free, but the web was too strong. Ani and Kaka flew around, searching for a way to stop the spread of the insecticide. Suddenly, Kaka had an idea. He flew towards the canister of insecticide, dodging the human's flailing limbs. With all his might, he grabbed hold of the nozzle and twisted it shut. The mist stopped spreading, and the insects breathed a sigh of relief. The humans were trapped in the web, unable to move. Ani flew up to them, hoping to reason with them. "Why are you doing this? Can't you see the harm you're causing?" Ani asked. The humans looked at her in surprise, as if they had never heard an insect speak before. "We didn't know. We were just trying to get rid of the bugs," one of them said. "But we are living creatures too, and we have a right to exist just like you do," Ani replied.
Before the next part of the story, let's take notes. Insecticide, a chemical that is used to kill insects. Kill off the bugs, to make the insects die. Fellow insects, other insects that are similar to you. Allies, friends who help and support you. Approached, moved closer to. Deadly mist, a poisonous gas that can cause harm or death. Spreading through the garden, moving around and affecting many areas of the garden. Swipes, quick, forceful movements made with the hand or an object. Swat him away, hit or push him to make him go away. Unaware, not knowing or noticing something. Direct approach, a straightforward way of doing something. Spin a web, create a silky structure to catch prey. Break free, escape from something that is holding you. Canister of insecticide, a container filled with a chemical to kill insects. Flailing limbs, moving arms or legs around in a wild, uncontrolled way. The nozzle, the part of the canister that sprays the insecticide. Twisted it shut, turned the nozzle to stop the insecticide from coming out. Get rid of the bugs, remove or eliminate the insects. A right to exist, the idea that every living thing has the right to live and exist. The humans looked at each other, then back at the insects. They seemed to realize the gravity of their actions. "We're sorry. We didn't realize what we were doing. We'll stop using the insecticide," they said. Ani, Kaka, Arachne, and the caterpillars looked at each other in amazement. They had worked together to stop a deadly threat, and they had succeeded. As the humans left the garden, Ani turned to her friends. "We did it. We stopped them," she said, a sense of pride in her voice. Kaka fluttered his wings, the vibrant colors sparkling in the sunlight. "We couldn't have done it without all of us working together," he said. And so, the insects continued to live their lives in the garden, grateful for the struggles and obstacles they had overcome and the resilience they had shown. They knew they were a rare and valuable part of the garden's delicate ecosystem, and they were determined to protect it at all costs. Let's learn some final vocabulary here. Realize the gravity of their actions, understanding the seriousness of something that has been done or is going to be done. A deadly threat, something that is extremely dangerous and can cause harm or death. Grateful for, feeling thankful or appreciative for something that has been received or done. Resilience, the ability to recover and adapt quickly from difficult situations. Delicate ecosystem, a system of living organisms and their environment that is easily disturbed or damaged. We're determined to protect, making a firm decision to safeguard something from harm or danger, no matter what the cost may be.